we've been working. I want to thank our civic leaders from Derry and Donegal and the Mayor of the city, Martin Riley, the Comhaltas President, Vince Jordan, the drum, Michael Higgins, Deputy First Minister, Michael Higgins, and Director General of Comhaltas Ceoltóirí and First Minister. 18 months ago, a group of us from Derry sat with much trepidation in the Comhaltas headquarters in Dublin, waiting for the decision on where the Fleadh Cheoil will be hosted in 2013. And the thought that I had uppermost in my mind is, how am I going to go back to Derry if we don't bring the flag? And here we are, 18 months on, and the rest is history. Is in Derry, and no better place for it. We've made history, we've got the flag, first time in the north, and it's come to our wonderful city. And I want to thank all our civic leaders, I want to thank our sponsors and our funders and our church leaders, and a great deal of your parents and your